Let's see how to set up C++ in Visual Studio Code. If you find this guide useful, consider subscribing and leaving a like. Thanks. All right, the first step would be to go to Google, and we'll search for code.visualstudio.com/download. Here we'll choose our operating system to download VS Code, only if we don't have it yet, and install it normally. All right, once VS Code is installed, we'll go to where it says C++ on the same website and click on GCC on Windows. Then click on MSYS2. And finally, click here. Now, double-click on the executable and install it. Now, we'll copy this command and paste it into MSYS2. We'll delete the $sign so only the command is left. And press Enter. Here, type voice and press Enter. All right, now we'll go to this PC. MSYS64, UCRT64, bin. And we'll copy the path of that folder. Now we'll search for path. Click on Environment Variables. Click on Path, Edit, New. And we'll paste what we copied. Now we'll open CMD and run the following commands to make sure everything was installed correctly. Now we'll open VS Code, click on Extensions, and here we'll search for C++. And install this one. All right, now I'll create a folder on the desktop to start a new project. Click here to create a C++ file. All right, now we'll write any code and press here to run it. If you get this error and can't run the code, we'll run it this way instead. We'll go to the terminal. And here we'll type the following: G++, your CPP file name, -O, your file name, but with .x. And press Enter. Then we'll type the following: /, your exe file name. And press Enter, and that's it. Now it works. Thanks for watching. That was everything.